Welcome. Today in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the Wi-Fi section. Now just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click here once on the switcher, and after that you should see all the available networks. And now we can connect to one from these networks. For example, that can be this one. Just click to this network and here enter the password. By click here once on this eye icon, you can see the password here to have no some mistakes. Now I'll just enter my password out of screen and just click to OK. And now you can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select one more network here by the same way, enter the password, tap to OK, and then just switch between these two networks if you want. And also, if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, I have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on this icon, and to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon. You'll launch the Wi-Fi settings by the same way. Select one from these networks, and after that, just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.